chances are you won't stop there. The Laughing Cow. Reinvent snacking.
Discover Kia's quality at the Top Quality Sales Event. We're celebrating with great deals on the versatile Sportage, ranked highest in its segment in initial quality by J.D. Power, or the rugged Sorento, named the 2016 IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus. Visit Kia.com to learn about our limited time lease and purchase offers, and to see how Kia quality ranks versus the competition. Then hurry down to the Kia Top Quality Sales Event today.
I'm Sean T, and to stay active, I use Arctic Ease Instant Cold Wraps to relieve my pain and swelling. Just wrap with reusable Arctic Ease to get cold and compression therapy to reduce your pain and swelling so you can keep moving. Pick up Arctic Ease today.
I'm here. I'm King was live.
Spike Sports presents two warriors on one epic weekend of fights. Starting Friday, when MMA superstar Benson Henderson makes his welcome return against Brazilian knockout artist Patricio Pitbull. Then on Saturday, on a stacked PBC card, Robert Guerrero laces up the ropes for one more one championship.
I will get that belt back.
The weekend begins with Bellator MMA presented by Blue Light, Friday at 10, live on Spike.